On a recent beautiful weekend, we decided to head out to the lake with the dogs and just spend some time relaxing together and enjoying what could be the last day we get to do this before next summer. And as we glided across the calm water looking for a place to land with a little beach, I started watching my dogs and noticing how they were reacting to the day and what that could teach us. Later, I found a great article that talks about just this thing. Here are a few things from the article that I've noticed my dogs have tried to teach me. One is be yourself. Notice as they splash and play that they don't care what they look like. They're just doing what comes natural and having the time of their life. Another lesson, play, also comes into this. Your dog doesn't care how young or old he is. He just loves to play because life is short and we should be having some fun. They love unconditionally. They roughhouse a little, but at the end of the day, they snuggle in their pet beds together and hate it when they're apart. And lastly, this one is the most important for me. Notice how both dogs are totally and completely in the moment. The sun is shining, the water is warm, the sky is a perfect shade of blue. We're all spending time together. And for them, this is the only thing they're focusing on right now. And while as humans we can't always do that, we must plan for the future sometimes. We can at least remember to take a break, rest our minds, and live a little bit in the moment so that we can be recharged to face our new challenges. Now let's get started on something good to eat. And now I've never actually seen Bridgerton, but once I found this little tea time cookbook based on the show, it was so cute and tasty looking I couldn't resist. So I decided to try something simple because for some reason I was craving that cinnamon. And as always, I will put the measurements and how to make these in the description box below. But we'll start by putting our dry ingredients, including that gorgeous cinnamon, in a small bowl and whisk that together. Next, measure out your butter. And now we'll take that butter and cream it together with the sugar. I think I must have gravitated toward these cookies because of the cinnamon reminded me of fall coming, even though the day I made them was actually really hot. But that's just weather in Tennessee, and sometimes you just have to go with it no matter what it wants to do. Next, we'll add our egg and vanilla, and you'll cream that together. And this should be the last time you need your hand mixer because we're going to add all the ingredients together. And while at first I was a little afraid it wasn't going to mix together very well, in the end it really didn't take that much effort at all to make a beautiful dough. And now on parchment or a silicone mat, we'll roll out our cookies one at a time, place them on the cookie sheet in neat little rows, and bake them until they're a beautiful golden color. In the meantime, let's go ahead and pick out our tea. I I decided to go with my absolute favorite, a lemon tea, because there's something so refreshing about citrus when you have something with a heavy spice to it. And for today's tea break, I thought I would use this little cup and saucer that I picked up in an antique store for a few dollars. That was so cute I couldn't resist it. I absolutely love Pyrex and Fire King, but I only pick up pieces that I absolutely fall in love with and know I'll use. And now it looks like our tea kettle is ready, which means it's almost time to try these cookies. So let's pour our tea. Eat a few cookies, which were really good, by the way. And take a little break going through our new cookbook to see what other little goodies we might make in the future. And if you like historical cooking and unusual cookbooks, here's 2 more videos you might enjoy. And make sure to like and subscribe for more foodie adventures.